Good morning everyone. Today I will solve exercise 1.6 chapter first number system. Question number 1, find first part 64 की पावर 1 by 2, second part 32 की पावर 1 by 5 and third part 125 की पावर 1 by 3. Now solution of this question. First part 64 power 1 by 2. 64 you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and power 1 by 2 right here. 64 you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 1 by 2. So also you can write another form 2 की power 6 power 1 by 2. So using formula a की power m power n is equal to a की power m into n. So use this formula. In this way we can write 2 की power 6 into 1 by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 की power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. This is answer of this part. And second part 32 की power 1 by 5. So you can write 32 expand 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 1 by 5. So also another form you can write 2 की power 5 power 5 1 by 5. So 2 की power 5 into 1 by 5. Use identity a की power m power n is equal to a की power m into n. So 5 into 5 cancel out, 5 cancel out, 2 की power 1. You can write 1 times 2 into 2. This is answer. Question number 2, find first part 9 की पावर 3 by 2 and second part 32 की पावर 2 by 5 and third part 16 power 3 by 4, fourth part 125 power minus 1 by 3. Solution of given question. First part 9 की पावर 3 by 2. So 9 you can write 3 की पावर 2 and power 3 by 2. So by using formula of exponents, so 3 की पावर 2 into 3 by 2, 2 cancel out, 3 की पावर 3. So 3 power 3 in expand form 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. This is answer. And second part 32 की पावर 2 by 5. So 32 exponents form में you can write 2 की पावर 5 and 2 की पावर 5. So use identity or exponent form. So a की पावर m power n is equal to a की पावर m into n. So use this formula in this way. 2 5 की पावर 2 upon 5. 5 cancel out, 2 की पावर 2 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. And third part you can solve by yourself. And fourth part 125 power minus 1 by 3. So you can write 5 power 3 power minus 1 by 3, or 5 power 3 into minus 1 by 3. So 3 cancel out, 5 power minus 1. So you can write 1 upon 5 power 1 is equal to 1 upon 5. This is answer. Question number 3, simplify. First part 2 की power 2 by 3 into 2 की power 1 by 5, and second part 1 upon 3 की power 3 whole power 7, and third part 11 power 1 by 2 upon 11 power 1 by 4, and fourth part 7 power 1 by 2 8 की power 1 by 2. So solution of this question. So first part 2 की power 2 by 3 and 2 की power 1 by 5. So if base are same, power should be added. We get 2 की power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So taking LCM, 2 की power 3 5 15 and 15 divided by 3 get 5, 2 into 5 and plus, and 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15, 3 into 1. So 2 की power 10 plus 3 upon 15 and 2 की power 13 upon 15. So this is answer. And second part, solution of this part. So given 1 upon 3 की power 3 power 7. So separated by power 1 की power 7 upon 3 की power 3 power 7. 1 की power 7, so get 1 upon 3 की power 3 power 7 multiply by this power 3 into 7. So 1 upon 3 की power 21. So this is answer. And third part, so third part 11, solution of this question. 11 की power 1 by 2 upon 11 की power 1 by 4. So base are numerator and denominator, base are same, so power are subtracted. 11 की power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So 11 taking LCM 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. So 11 की power 1 by 4. This is answer. At last fourth part, solution of this fourth part. 7 की power 1 by 2, 8 की power 1 by 2. If base are same, if power are same, base are multiply each other. So get 7 into 8 power 1 by 2. 7 8 56 power 1 by 2. This is answer. That's all.